The Igbo tribes are great. See how it took Chukwuemeka 13 years to succeed in boutique business. It's been a while that I have been hearing different kinds of rumors that Igbo tribes are good and well-oriented in business. They said Igbo man can sacrifice himself in managing one business for many years without quitting it. Even if the business is still undergrowing, they will still stand still on it until they achieve their aims on that particular business. All this eulogizing about Igbo on business matter was meaning nothing to me until I saw a very young Igbo guy that uploaded pictures of how his friend started business in 2005 till 2018, with tagging the date to each pictures. According to my understanding concerning what he wrote about his friend on his Facebook page, the young guy, whose name is Chukwuemeka, popularly known as Sam Luke Plus by his friends and customers, started selling of t-shirts, boxers, hand towel in roadside in 2003. As he continued doing this business without relenting, advancement hit his business in 2009. He got a small shop where he was selling low-quality clothes. As time goes on, he keep moving on this business. 6 years after, changed the face of his shop to real boutique. The guy still believes in his dream of becoming the best boutique owner in his vicinity. He has finally achieved his in 2018 and as the best boutique owner in his area. At least you can see the pictures on the screen to confirm what I am saying. You can also see the screenshot of his friend Facebook to serve as an evidence of this report. If a man is boldly determined that he will achieve something big like this, and it took him 13 years to achieve his aims without quitting it for once. Imagine if this guy can flourish like this in 2018. Where do you think this guy could be in 2020? Patience is the key of every success in this life. Now let's ask ourselves this question. Do you think the youths of today can do this sacrifice? Yes, I think so. A lot of Igbo guys can see it. Kindly drop your opinion in the comment section of this YouTube. Tell us what you learned from the life of this guy. Please don't forget to share this video. Also click on the subscribe button to get our updates each time we drop. This is our entrepreneur tech segment on Igbo Area TV. I'm Azuka Uzo OJ. Bye for now.